now we are going to do an unboxing of this rotary tool, and I like it a lot. It's like a Dremel, but much better. So I just bought this in Walmart. So Black Friday, I got a very good deal. I think it was like $15, and it came with these instructions. So I'm going to tell you, I was testing it, and it works like very, very good. I'm impressed for this little tool. So as you well know, Hypertough belongs to Walmart. So this is 4 volts. So I thought, okay, it's not going to be as powerful, as the Milwaukee, but I said, okay, I'm going to give it a try and see how it goes. It's very economical. I mean, this is, $15 with this. So I thought, okay, I need the accessories. So instead of buying, accessories for this, I said, okay, I'm going to buy this as well. So in this case, I've been using it, and I'm very impressed with this. It's like much better than Dremel. I had Dremel in the past, the corded one, the one that is cordless and everything. And this product, I like it. The main reason is it's very compact. I mean, it's very little. So if you see, this is my iPhone 15 Pro, and I mean, it's very, very little. You don't have to worry about the batteries, removing the batteries or anything like that. Also, it comes with the USB-C, because the Dremel that I had, you have to remove the battery, you have to put it in the charger, you lose the charger is not handy or anything like that. And with this, I mean, it's amazing. You have USB-C, that's it. You can connect it anywhere. So as you can see, Ryobi, they provide something with the battery, this flashlight with the battery. And the battery comes, no charger or anything, at least as far as I know. I didn't unbox it yet, but it comes with a USB. So you hook it up here, and then you charge it, and that's it. So I like this approach much better. Even I have a shaver. It's the same thing, the same way, USB-C, done, that's it. So it has the light. And you have 3 controls here. This is to control the speed. This is to turn it on and off, as you can see. And this is to lock the axle. So you push here, and then you're going to be able to, unscrew this and put the accessory that you want. Basically here, I'm going to go through the box. So it says 4 volts, 20 pieces, LED built-in, charging indicator, that is good. So basically when you connect the USB-C, you will see a light, and the light is here, and it will start, is red when it's discharged. When it's fully charged, it's green. So great for that. Here you see all the accessories. So for $15, I think just this by itself, if you have to buy, in Dremel, you're going to spend more than $15. So as usual, I am in US. If you need tools or anything like that, you want me to FedEx to you, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll try to leave the video description. If you're here in US, you can buy it yourself. So as you can see, it comes with all these accessories. If you have to polish something, cut something, or polish, I don't know, part of your car. I did this, just a little details in my car with this. I mean, it worked great. Here, if you have to, maybe remove some rust or something like that, and a few other accessories here. So as you can see, 4 volts, 2 amps. The RPMs is 8,000, the lowest settings, and 25,000, the highest RPM. And here you see the collet size. It says 1/8 and 332 inches, and the product weight, if you're in UK, is 0.24 kilograms, or if you're here in US, is 0.53 pounds, so it's half a pound. USB-C, that's it. So I like here it comes. I mean, I took it out already. It comes with a USB-C cable. I just left it in my charger. And here I'm going to show you this. So it comes. Like I said, I was doing some details in my car. This is how it works. So basically, you just put this here. At least with this thing, you just screw it in here, and you're ready to go. So you just push it here, and then you start screwing it. You have to push this button again just to lock the axle in place. Once it's in place, you see, it's going to stay in place, and you're going to be able to use it. As usual, you have to use some goggles if you start, doing any repair or anything like that. So that way, if something, fall off or something like that, fly away, it's not going to damage you. And that's it. So you turn it on. There you go. In number 3, it doesn't vibrate that much. In higher speed, it vibrates. I mean, in the beginning, it wasn't vibrating, but I don't know. I mean, I could go and, just replace it for another one or just call the company, but I don't care. I mean, even if I vibrate, it doesn't sound great. I don't care. Again, I had the Dremel, and the Dremel is kind of the same. Over time, it's going to start vibrating. You're going to have this issue. So even if you spend $100, $200 in a Dremel, just buy one of these, and that's it. So here it comes. I'm going to take this out of the box so that way you can see. So basically, here you have this. You can put it just inside. In order to do that, you have to untight this in order to be able to make it fit. And that's it. You can use even your nail to unscrew it, and then put it inside. There you go. And then you can use your nail again just to tie this up, and that's it. And it should stay in place. I mean, of course, if you have this is going to make your life easier. So basically, you can put it just here. Let's unscrew it. Put it like that. No. There we go. With this, of course, if you have this, it will help you to tie this up more. Usually, if you do it by hand, they're great. Here is another tool that I like it a lot because you can screw it, electrically. It's good. I think I made another video about this, but if you want to see it, just let me know. I can make the video or show you where the video is. So as you can see, once you tie this up, I mean, it works. We're going to turn it on again. It seems like with this, it vibrates much less. So if the disadvantage with this, if you have to tie it up, with this, it's going to make your life more difficult. At least in my case, if you have this, for instance, if you want to cut, this is to cut. This is, this is plastic. This is a brush. So if you have to clean up, I don't know, maybe the table, a small spot or something like that, you can use that also. It comes with this. It has a diamond on the end. Here you have another one, diamond. And you have the same thing with this. So if you have to remove the disc, all you have to do is remove the screw that you have here. And like I showed you before, take it out, put the new one in, and that's it. And if you need, I think this is if you have to put something like bigger axle or something like that, a smaller axle, I think you can just replace this. So basically you take this out, remove this, unscrew it completely, and then you have this. And as you can see here, it's similar, but this seems to be smaller than this. So if you see this, I can put just a regular accessory, like you see. But if I want to do the same thing with the other one, it's not going to fit, you see? It's smaller. That is why in the box it was saying that it comes with the two sizes. I think one's 1/8 and the other is 32/16, something like that. I don't know. So something like this. And that's it. I mean, all the accessories, I mean, it comes with the basic, at least in my case, the cutting tool is the one I use the most. And sometimes if I have to maybe cut or clean maybe for plumbing or do something like that, I may use, this or something extra, something similar like that. I mean, it depends on, for electronics, if you have to do like a small cut, everything, or maybe you have to polish something, it will work. So here I have the small, I'm going to do like a small demo. There we go, we got it just fine, no problem with that. So, and that's it, there is not much I can tell you about this product other than I like it, it's very economical, and you can keep everything in one place and keep it in your toolbox. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, as usual, leave it in the section below. And if you want to follow me in WhatsApp or Telegram, I have both in the video description, so that way if you want to stay up to date with the news of this channel, I will be publishing everything in those places. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class. If you want to know more about tools or anything like that, remember, go to the playlist. I have more videos about different tools.